To start, it's crucial to establish a solid foundation. This includes setting up a secure digital wallet and creating an account on a trusted crypto exchange. But remember, jumping into the waters without understanding the tides can be risky. So arming yourself with basic trading knowledge is key to surviving and thriving in the complex world of cryptocurrencies. Now let's consider the heart of the matter, developing a trading strategy. Success isn't a product of chance, but a result of careful planning and execution. It involves comprehensive research, detailed analysis, and most importantly, effective risk management. Crypto trading isn't a one-size-fits-all scenario. You might be a day trader making multiple trades within a day, a swing trader holding onto your assets for days or weeks, or a long-term investor looking at the bigger picture. Each approach has its unique charm and challenges. Understanding these will help you align your trading style with your personal goals and risk appetite. Technical analysis tools such as moving averages, relative strength index, and moving average convergence divergence are your allies in this journey. They provide valuable insights into market trends and help you make informed trading decisions. In 2023, the market's pulse is influenced by a myriad of factors, including technological advancements, regulatory changes, and global events. Being able to identify trends and analyze market movements is a vital skill for every crypto trader. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. As you dive deeper into the crypto sea, risk management and security measures become paramount. They are your lifelines, protecting your assets from the potential threats and vulnerabilities lurking in the depths of the crypto world. And let's not forget the taxman. Understanding the tax implications of your crypto earnings and ensuring compliance with reporting requirements is crucial to keep your journey legal and hassle-free. As you venture further, you'll realize that learning from seasoned traders and cultivating a disciplined approach can make a significant difference. Diversifying your investments and managing a balanced portfolio can help you weather the storms and sail towards potential returns. Trading is as much a psychological game as it is a financial one. Keeping emotions in check and avoiding common psychological biases can prevent impulsive actions that might lead to losses. Finally, staying updated with the latest industry news and developments can provide you with a competitive edge, helping you seize emerging opportunities. Indeed, the journey of crypto trading is filled with unpredictable waves and challenging winds. But remember, it's all about learning to sail, not waiting for the storm to pass. So adapt, learn from your failures, and you'll find yourself mastering the art of crypto trading. So are you ready to set sail? The crypto ocean awaits.